Condos or single-family homes, which is the better investment in Nashville for 2025? If you're looking to build real estate wealth in Music City, this quick guide will break down everything you need to know. Let's start with the basics. Condos tend to have lower purchase prices, lower maintenance, and are often located in prime urban areas like the Gulch or downtown. But they come with HOA fees, limited control, and sometimes rental restrictions. On the other hand, single-family homes offer more space, higher appreciation potential, and more flexibility with rentals and renovations. But they also require more maintenance and often a bigger upfront investment. In Nashville, single-family homes have historically appreciated faster, especially in up-and-coming neighborhoods like Madison, Donaldson, and Antioch. But condos are easier to rent short-term and may give you quicker cash flow in the right building. Whether you choose a condo or a house, the key is financing. We help Nashville investors secure funding with DSCR loans, hard money for flips, and other creative strategies built for maximizing ROI. Bottom line, if you're looking for long-term equity and flexibility, single-family homes may win. If you want easier entry, lower costs, and urban locations, condos could be a smarter first step. Want the full breakdown with real numbers, loan tips, and the best Nashville neighborhoods for each property type? Click the link in the description or visit shoprates.com now.